Hey guys, it's Drea. So here is my latest declutter. This one is all bronzers and contours. This is the extent of it, except I just realized I have stuff in my everyday makeup drawer I need to get. Hold on a second. Alright, now this is everything I needed to get. Alright, so this side of this organizer is all bronzers. This side is all contouring products. Obviously I keep them together just for organization's sake. And I'm going to go through it now and declutter. If you have not seen my declutters yet, down below in the description bar I will put a link to my playlist, which has everything I've done so far. I'm decluttering my entire collection. It's going to be savage. I've been doing good so far. Very good. Alright, this is part of my makeup use up for this year. If you ever see any Finding Nemo stickers on any of my stuff, that's because it's a makeup use up item. The Shade and Light Contour Palette from Kat Von D. I am obviously going to keep this because I'm trying to like pan a few shades, not all of them, but a few. So that's going to be a keep, so you go over here. I've got two of these. This is the full size, and this is the little mini of the Benefit Hoola Contour Quickie Stick. Yes, camera, you can focus. This one is almost gone. Like, look. That's how much is left in that guy. Proud of that progress. That's going to be gone soon. And I love this product, so obviously keeping. Benefit Hoola, the actual like powder product, love this. One of my favorite bronzer contour products ever. Love it. This Essence Shape Your Face palette is not that good. The contour product, like the contouring powder, is not bad, but this is literally nothing. Like, I don't even know what this is. It's just like this weirdly almost sheer, it fades away to nothing powder. I don't even know what it is. And then this is weirdly a matte blush with some glitters in it. It's dumb. Anyway, I like this, but I don't like it enough to keep the entire palette for it. And I have enough stuff, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. I love this shade in the Contour Effects 2 from City Color. This is such a good contouring product, so I really want to keep it. I don't see a reason why I shouldn't. I don't have a lot of contour stuff. I have way more bronzers, so I can see me definitely decluttering more in this than this. The Wet n Wild cushion, the Mega Cushion Contour in Cafe Au Slay. My camera is like the slowest to focus on anything. Anyway, I love this. It's like, it's one of those sponges. I don't want to open it, it's a little complicated, but anyway, it's one of those bouncy spongy products, whatever that's called. You know what I'm talking about. I love that. This Gigi Hadid Maybelline, it's called a tinted primer, but it's actually like a contour liquid. This amount of product will last you forever. Like, there's so much in here. I like this. I don't love it, but I like it enough to keep it. And since I don't have enough contour, well, since I don't have a ton of contouring stuff, I'm going to keep it. I love cream contouring though. It's my favorite way to contour, so I'm going to keep this. This contour face kit from MAC Studio, I got it Winners. I bought it for like a video which was like all Winners makeup or whatever. It's all too powdery and too pigmented, and it's like overly pigmented stuff and like weirdly blends and stuff. It was only $5 for that whole palette. So anyway, this is going. I only ever used it for that one video, so that can be decluttered. And then I just bought this recently. This is from Pure. This is all cream products. It's not my favorite to use. Like, I love cream contouring, but I don't love cream highlights and cream blushes and that kind of thing. These are pretty much all... Well, these two are more cream highlights. This is kind of like a bronzer, but it's, sorry, I'm like losing control. It's kind of not pigmented enough to like bronze with. I don't know, it's very shimmery. I'm gonna see how I like it in the summer and then decide, but for now I'm gonna keep it. Okay, now we're gonna get into the nitty gritty. Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blends Bronzer, love this. Gonna keep that. I only just got this Bare Minerals bronzer. It's in the shade Medium. This was actually like in a mini gift set type thing, so it was like a good deal. I think I like it. Not 100% yet, but I just got it. Body Shop Honey Bronzer Medium, love. Glam Bronze from L'Oreal, love. Bally Sands bronzer from Becca, love. And this is also my makeup use up for this year. That's obviously staying. This is my Holy Grail summertime bronzer. It's called Sunbask from MAC. It's actually called a Sheer Tone Shimmer Blush, but anyways, it's like the most beautiful sunburnt look you could ever get. So that's gonna stay. All right, here's where we're gonna get into what's gonna go. Yeah, I think all of this is gonna go. The Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This was in my makeup use up for last year. Obviously, I didn't use it up, but I did pretty well. I've just found that once I hit pan, it becomes muddy looking on me, and I don't like it the way I started liking it, so I'm gonna get rid of that. This NYC Sunny, you just can't get this anymore. I actually wore this today, and I didn't love the way it looked like I used to. It's very old though. Like, this is a couple years old, so this is gonna go. This Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's nice and smooth. It's a nice shade, but I just have, like, all of these here I love, which is why I reached for them first, and there's no way they're going. And there's only so much bronzer you need for your face, right? So even though I like this, I don't love it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Same with this Essence Sun Club Shimmer Bronzing Powder. It's called Darker Skin. Obviously I would use this in the summertime. I don't know if you could tell, but inside, yeah, you can see that. I love that cute little embossed look of that girl, but obviously it's wearing away a little bit. This is really nice, and I do like it, but I only would use this in the summer, and this literally never leaves my drawer in the summer. So there's no point in having more than one bronzer that I love in the summertime. Like, really, this I can kind of use in the summer, but these three are all more winter, fall, spring bronzers for me, because they're all lighter. Anyways, I don't know if you guys care. Okay, this is the Too Faced Sweet Tea Bronzer. I wanted to love this. I wanted to love it so many times, but I just don't, and it looks weird on me, and I gotta let it go. So I'm sorry, but that's gotta be decluttered. This is the Kat Von D Shady Business 1 Everlasting Face Shaper Bronzer. I got this at Winners for like, I don't know, $8 or $9 or something. It's smooth. It's like it's almost like an eyeshadow in how like shimmery it is. So it's not really my cup of tea, so I'm gonna get rid of that. The Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in Medium Deep. This is actually something I mainly use for contouring, and I have enough contour stuff. I have Benefit Hoola. That's probably the closest I would like compare this to. So I don't need it. And this is getting older too, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And this I've never used. This is from Quo. I bought this on sale for like $5. It's the Mosaic Bronzer. It's really pretty. Like, the packaging is gorgeous. It's that, like, look at the mirrored acrylic. It's so pretty. And then inside, that's what it looks like. I think I didn't get to swatch it before I bought it. I just bought it because of the price, and really it's like so orange. That is so orange, so I can't really use it. So that is gonna go. So I kept 6 bronzers, almost all of my contouring products. And I'm getting rid of 2, 4, 6, 8 bronzers, more than 50%, plus the 2 contouring palettes. This is my eyeliner declutter. This is all my eyeliners. Everything you see in this frame right now is what's getting decluttered today. These are all sticks. These are all liquids or gels. Let's start with the liquids and gels and get them out of the way. This is the NYX That's the Point liquid eyeliner. This one is in the shade, well, it's not a shade, they're all black, but, oh, sorry. But they all have different points on them. That's why they're called That's the Point. See how long it takes my freaking camera to focus? Anyway, this is called Super Edgy, and it's kind of like, you can see, that's what the edge looks like. I don't love this. I just feel like it is not that black, and also it dries too, like, the point dries out very quickly, and I'm pretty sure I remember it transferring. So anyway, I know I don't like it. That's gonna go. Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen. That's staying. I have a backup in my purse. The Essence Dip Eyeliner Waterproof. This stuff is really good. Really, really good. It's matte and it's very black, and I really like it. So that's gonna stay. Holy Grail NYX Matte Eyeliner, staying for sure. This is new. This is the Shiseido Ink Stroke Eyeliner. I just talked about this recently, like in a underrated products video. It comes with its own brush. It's like a gel eyeliner in there. been really enjoying this, so it's going to stay. My Essence Gel eyeliner I'm going to get rid of because I have that one, the Shiseido one. I really don't use gel eyeliner enough to have more than one, so that's going to go. And then also this one from Tony Moly I have never used. So this is, I don't even know what it's called, but it's super weird packaging. It comes, okay, this screws off. There's your eyeliner down there. But then in here is a brush, okay? But the brush is like the most awful, the brush is the most awful type of brush you could ever want for eyeliner. You see, like, it's so weirdly shaped. Why is it shaped like that? Anyway, I never use this, so this is gonna go. The Lancome Art Liner, I was not a fan of this. It's like a weird plastic foamy brush, and it's not enough of a point on it. I don't know, I just did not like it, so that's gonna go. This is brand new, I haven't even tried it yet. The Essence Cushion Eyeliner, so it's what it says it is. It's a little cushion in there and you can put your brush in it and use it. So I have not tested that. We'll have to wait and see. Alright, so this is all my black eyeliner. I have not been able to find a black pencil eyeliner that I love. The Buxom one comes the closest. This is called Hold the Line in Call Me, so I'm going to keep that. The NARS Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner in Via Veneto transfers on me. I don't like it. It's also kind of dried out. That's the other thing. A lot of these are getting old and they're like getting dried out. Oh, I'm like totally not in frame. See this? It's just kind of dry. So I'm pretty sure they need to go anyway. The Modster from Ardency Inn. This used to work great on me and then it just stopped like being waterproof and it just started transferring. So yeah, I have to let that go. I don't know what happened there. The Essence Gel Eye Pencil. I don't even remember. It's not that black though, so no. I'm just gonna get rid of it. And then the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. I'm pretty sure this is dried. Yeah, it's not like that creamy anymore. It's not totally dried out, but it's still not that creamy anymore. And also, weirdly, when I sharpen it, like, I can't get a point on it. I don't know. It's like smaller than the hole it's in. If that makes sense. Whatever. Anyway, it doesn't sharpen well. This one I want to test. So I have a box going of things I want to test from my declutter, and then I'll do a final video telling you if I ended up liking it enough to keep it or not. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL Eye Pencil. I bought this because Alex said that it works really well for her. And so, but I really haven't tried it enough to know, but it is very new. So I'm going to test this out and then we'll see. But like literally, I can't find a good black eyeliner, so I'm keeping two and getting rid of all the rest of them. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Alright, now these are all the colored ones I have left. Let's start with greens. I only need one green. I actually used a green one today, and it was this one. It was the Sephora Fairy Tale, which is a beautiful, like it comes out, but it still works. Anyway. A beautiful like bluish green with sparkle in it. It's really, really pretty. I used that on my waterline today. It worked fine. Gonna keep that. And then this one here, it's been missing its cap forever. It's still creamy as anything, even though it doesn't have a cap. It's the Starlooks Gem Pencil, but I don't need it, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I have not used that since like 2 years ago, probably. Anyways. This is a Marc Jacobs Highliner Pencil, and it's in the shade, well actually it's called the Fine Liner. It's in the shade Covert, get it? Ver means green in French. I just don't see myself using a pencil this skinny to like put in my waterline. Plus it's like almost the same color as that one anyway, just without the glitter. So no, I don't need this. I'll give it to somebody else that can use it. It still works fine. Alright, I only really have one purple. I'm going to keep it. It's the Estee Lauder one in Night Violet. Love that. I only have one gold. It's from NYX. It's called Glitzy Gold. It's beautiful. And it still swatches very well. I hardly ever use it though, but you know, there might be a day. Okay, these nude ones. Oh, this is a black one too. That's right. The Gigi Hadid one. I do not enjoy this at all. This transfers like a mofo and it is going away fo. All right. Okay, nudes. I only have 3. You know what the hell, I'm going to include this as nude because it's so light. Okay, I have 4 that would technically be considered like nude brightening in your waterline pencils. This one is from NYX. It's called the Faux Whites. It's called White Smoke. The idea of these is that they're pastels that should brighten. And in theory, it looks beautiful when you swatch it, but it does not go on my waterline. So maybe it will on somebody else. This one I never use. It's the Silkissime from L'Oreal. It's called, just says highlighter on it. I don't know, but I never ever use it. Oh, it's getting very dry. Yeah, that needs to go away in the garbage. Okay, that's very old. These 2 are still great. This one is from Estee. They no longer exist. This side still has a little bit left of that brown one. And then this one is so pigmented. This is called Urban Nude. I tried to use this last year in my makeup use up, and literally I could use this, I'm not kidding when I say this, like 8 times before I need to sharpen it, because just the tiniest little swipe is all you need, and like you can keep going. I haven't sharpened this in a month and I use it a lot. Anyways, I'm gonna keep that. It's still very good. And then the Essence one is a good drugstore alternative. Very nice too. This one is in the shade Silky Nude, so I would recommend that if you're looking for a good drugstore version. Alright, so just some random colors. Oh, I guess you can consider this a nude too. This is from Makeup Revolution. It's in the shade We Rule. It's like this, it's supposed to be like a rose gold. It's so dry, and this is not that old. Like, not that old. It's always been this dry. Hate it. Gotta go. Here's another Estee edit. These were so great. Like, I'm sad that that company decided not to continue because they made good products. It's just that people weren't like latching onto them. These are like the creamiest eyeliners. They're so awesome. This one's like a greenish gold glitter. And then this one is a deep forest green. It's so beautiful. So definitely keeping that. And then I love this Urban Decay one in Desperation. It's just a gray, but surprisingly, this looks so good. Like anytime I do a pink eye look, it looks so beautiful. So I'm definitely keeping that. I don't need this navy. I never use it. In fact, this has never been sharpened. This has never seen a sharpener. I don't even know if I think I might have swatched this and never used it. It's very dark navy. Anyways, somebody else can enjoy that. And then this is a Sephora collection one. This is like a 100-point perk. And it's in the shade Suede Shoes. Not blue suede shoes, just suede shoes. It's almost more of like a steel gray blue. But I never use navies, or like you can tell, that's never been sharpened either. I never use that color. So that can go. And then this is the Shuamura Mario, Super Mario Bros. From 2017 Holiday. I can't even tell if that's, there we go. Yeah, see, it's got the little mushrooms on it. It doesn't really work that well on me because it's kind of the same color as my waterline. Like, it's kind of got that red tone to it. But I don't necessarily want to get rid of it yet. I want to see if there's a way I could use it. I almost feel like that could be a good base for under eyeshadow, but I'm not going to get rid of that yet. We're going to keep it. Another successful, almost 50%. It's actually more than 50% declutter. There's 14 here. There's 16 here, getting rid of. 14 I'm keeping. There's the one that I'm going to test out. But still, more than 50%. So that is awesome. So yeah, definitely subscribe if you haven't yet. And check out my other declutter videos. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.